Good evening. I'm Johnny Cook, and I'm here to read you a bedtime story about Peppa Pig and the nature trail. Peppa Pig and her family are going on a picnic in the woods. Daddy Pig has the map. We need our picnic basket too, says Mama Pig. But the picnic basket is still in the car. In the woods, Peppa sees something on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I see footprints on the ground. Peppa and her family follow the footprints. A bird made these footprints, says Mummy Pig. Look up there in the tree, says Peppa. I see some birds. There is a mama bird. 3 little birds up in the tree. Then Peppa sees more little footprints on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I see some ants. Peppa and her family are hungry. They need to eat, but the picnic basket's in the car. Daddy Pig looks at the map. I don't know the way back to the car, he says. I know, says Peppa. I see our footprints too. We can follow our footprints back to the car. Then it rains. The rain takes all the footprints away. I know, says Peppa. I see some ducks over there. Ducks love the rain, and they love picnics. We can follow these ducks back to the food in our car. The hungry family follows the ducks all the way back to the car. Then the rain stops. I love picnics in the woods, says Peppa. The birds, the ants, and the ducks love the picnic too. How much do you remember about Peppa Pig, Nature Trail? Answer these questions and find out. Think about it. Where do Peppa and her family go for a picnic? What does Peppa see in the woods? Why do the family's footprints go away? Who shows Peppa and her family the way back to the car? The birds, Mummy Pig, ants, George, Peppa, Daddy Pig, and the ducks all enjoy the picnic. The end. Good night and have sweet dreams.